Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a movie channel on YouTube without getting copyrighted. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So creating a movie related YouTube channel without copyright issues is possible, but you do need to avoid uploading copyrighted movie clips without permission. So the safest way to create a movie channel is going to be on the following. So one, movie review. So we can go ahead and watch a movie and give your opinion, analysis, ratings and recommendations. Your commentary should be the main focus of the video. So some examples of this is my review of June, top 10 action movies of 2026, why this movie was so successful. Number 2 here is movie explanations and recaps. So we can create videos explaining the story, characters, and ending in your own words. That's key. Make sure it is in your own words. Use narration and editing that adds significant value. 3, movie facts channel. So we can share interesting facts, behind the scenes information, actor trivia, filming locations, and even production stories. We can make ranking videos. Examples of this can be best sci-fi movies ever made, top 10 horror movies on Netflix, best movies based on true stories. Now the 5th main one here is news and updates. So we can cover movie announcements, trailers, casting news, release dates, and even industry updates. Now we need to be careful to avoid a few things here. So this is, I'm going to pop this up now. Okay, so we need to avoid these following. So uploading full movies, uploading movie scenes without commentary, uploading movie trailers and claiming them as your own, re-uploading clips from streaming services such as Netflix, Disney, and using copyrighted music without permission as well. Now here's some tools we can use to do this. So we can use Canva for making our thumbnails, CapCut or even Canva for editing, and your YouTube Studio for channel management. Now, one thing to keep in mind, movie channels are often face copyright claims, even when using short clips. If your goal is low risk, highly scalable channels similar, movie facts, rankings, and explanation videos using mostly narration, images, and graphics are usually safer than relying heavily on movie footage.